That road has not been plowed, which means we should go through it. Hey everyone, today we're taking my very first spin in a deep snow, driving my brand new Tesla Model Y Performance. I did a couple of tests in my driveway going up and down the hill, comparing it to my M3 and my Porsche. You can actually watch that video up there, and you see which car wins, which car loses. We're gonna test traction control, we're gonna test no traction control, region braking, no region braking, and let's see if we can maybe get stuck, get unstuck. Who knows, maybe we'll catch a donut or two. But before we get started, you know how snow tires work. You know that snow tires grip snow in them, and the snow gives you a lot of traction. Check this out. I'm driving on all-season performance tires that I upgraded in my Model Y Performance, 21 inches, and check this out. It looks like these are doing the same thing. They're grabbing the snow, which means when you get snow on snow, you have a lot more traction. We should get started first. All right, let's get going. Let's try this hill first. We've got this hill coming up here. It's in my driveway. I got stuck here in my M3. I got stuck here in my Porsche. Check this out. This car does it no problem. It's fun. You can hear the traction do its job, but you can also sort of understand that because of the weight of the car, you're able to do these things. So let's see. The roads are not actually, no, they are plowed, but they're not sanded or anything. Well, thank you. Take control immediately. Yeah, so check this out. So I am driving. One side of the road is plowed, the other one is not plowed. And look, region braking is fully on. What happens when I release my pedal? You ready? 3, 2, 1. See? So it feels like the car is braking and the tires are skidding. Let's do it a little faster. 20 miles an hour. Okay, yep. Region braking is absolutely making the tires stuck, which means region braking is very unsafe in the snow. But what happens when we disable region braking? So let's pull into this parking lot. So we're going to keep the pedal and steering stopping mode roll, and we're also going to allow slip start because I want to be able to control throttle with my throttle with my right foot, and maybe whip out a donut or two. So let's see. Whee! All right, so doing donuts in this parking lot is absolutely difficult. It's funny. Okay, I'm sorry. I've done donuts in the past, and even though slip start is enabled, okay, so it allows you it allows you to kick in the back just a little bit, but it doesn't fully disengage traction control, which sucks though, because I like having fun in the snow. So now this is the hill. We're going downhill, and what happens, look, so we're in roll mode. When I let my foot off the gas, nothing happens. You see, the car rolls, there's no wheel spin. Now when I accelerate, there's plenty of grip. Again, decelerate, there's no wheel spin. Everything decelerates fine. Now I'm gonna put my glove on. There is a big hill coming up. So once again, all season tires and traction control off, and the road has not been salted, so it's only plowed. Let's see, can we get up this hill? Oh yeah, come on. The car is a tank. Look at that. All season tires, ladies and gentlemen. Look. Driving, no issue whatsoever. Check this out. This is great. I can accelerate uphill. There's no issue here. Some cars are probably wondering, why is this guy filming? Yes, I'm a geek, I know. Look at this. No issue. Now, what happens when we brake? Brake. So it is definitely slippery. And when I try to move, it spins. Let's try braking again. Yep, definitely slippery. Let's try to get going. So there's another hill coming up in front of us. Check this out. No issue. This is incredible. And what's cool about it is And I've never noticed it, but you feel like you're doing something peaceful, even though you are doing something very dangerous. You're driving a car in the snow, but because of the fact that there's no engine roar, it's just it's a peaceful experience. It's quiet. You can actually get away with doing donuts in a residential neighborhood because the car is quiet. Look how slow the Subaru is driving down. We're gonna do the same thing later, but we're gonna come up and we're gonna do it a lot faster. This is crazy. Wow, look, accelerating up the hill. This is great. This is absolutely insane. I stopped on the hill. Check this out. I can get going, no issue. This is so incredible, guys. It is absolutely insane. Dancing, accelerating, wow. To those of you who told me that Tesla is one of the worst cars they've driven in the snow, and there are a couple of people who commented that under one of my videos. This goes to show you that perhaps you had your stopping mode in hold, because I would understand that when you let your foot off the accelerator, the wheels lock, and then you're in trouble. Now, I mean, look at this. This is great. We have a stop sign. In a BMW, I would have to roll through the stop sign, but in this one, I don't have to, because check this out. See, I can get going. Look, let me get going again. Yes. There is some traction loss, but look at this. We're moving, and yes, the roads are slippery, but I'm not afraid. This is great. What happens when I brake? Okay, so braking, obviously, locking the tires, you lose grip, but when the tires are rolling and you have that grip, that snow and snow grip with these all-season tires, it's fantastic. That road has not been plowed, which means we should go through it. Oh my gosh. Was that a mistake? Let's see. I am the first car on this road, ladies and gentlemen. The first vehicle. And I know this road and there's a hill coming up. Was this a mistake? I guess time will tell. The very first car on this road. They call people like me trailblazers. Some people call me stupid people. You pick which one is better. First guy on this road. Oh my god, this is so cool. And look, no one hears me. No one hears me because the car is quiet. Oh man, this is great. This is so cool. So that's the hill I was telling you about. Can we make it up the hill? Can we make it up the hill? Stop sign, of course we can. Look at this. Easy. I think we'd have to go back that way to do the second set of tracks. Can we get some opposite lock here? Ooh, yeah! Yeah, Tesla. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. I'm gonna make a U-turn here to go back on that road. Yes! Is it still my tracks? Or do we have another car? Yeah, that is still me. I think so. Could it be me? Maybe there was another car that drove by. But yeah, you know what? We're gonna make new tracks. We're gonna drive through new tracks, although I don't know what the curb is. But look at it. Okay, look. Another test. We're standing uphill. We're standing uphill. Let's say you're stuck in traffic. Okay, I gotta get going. Traction control kicking in. But I am going. Okay, look. The hill is getting steeper and you have a red light in front of you and you're stuck here. Okay, so you're stuck. What do you do? Can we get going? Let's see. Traction control kicking in. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. The car just goes. It's like a tank. I have never driven an all-wheel drive vehicle like this, ever. And I've owned a bunch of all-wheel drive vehicles in the past. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Opposite lock. Whee! Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, we're gonna get in trouble. So I just wanted to show you how good this car is in the snow. I mean, I didn't myself know how good it was until I just tried it. I'm going to be very confident taking this car on road trips and ski trips and whatnot, because this is just an awesome all-wheel drive system. It's an awesome vehicle. Yes, it's heavy, but the clever traction control system, the tires. I mean, the tires are absolutely amazing. Yeah, I would not hesitate taking this car on a see, and it's fun on a ski trip, which I have in the past. This is great. This is absolutely fantastic. Anyways, on that note, I just wanted to thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video. Give me thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, try doing so. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Oh boy, we have another hill. Oh boy. Okay, but this one should be fine. This one should be good. Oh, braking. All right, this is downhill, so we really have to be careful. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.